Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to design clean commercial visuals using advanced masking techniques. Begin by isolating your main subject using precise selection tools and refine it with mask overlay for accuracy. Clean edges are critical in commercial work because every detail is visible. Once the subject is separated, place it on a simple, distraction-free background that supports the product or message. Use adjustment layers clipped to the subject for lighting, contrast, and color correction instead of editing directly. Keep tones balanced and avoid extreme effects. Subtle shadows and soft highlights help ground the subject naturally. If text or branding is involved, ensure enough negative space around the subject.